Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Chevy Impala. Stock number is A6891A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up. Becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Impala on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.